Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Learnings. I'm Paul.
And I'm Emily. Today we have a very special episode. It's all about motivation and how to keep going when learning English feels hard.
Yes, sometimes you feel tired, or maybe you think, my English isn't good enough. But guess what? You're not alone.
Exactly. Every English learner and even native speakers have tough days. But today we'll help you learn how to stay positive, motivated, and confident while speaking English.
And of course, we'll practice lots of real conversations and useful phrases to help you sound more natural.
So don't give up. Let's start learning and speaking together.
Main Dialogue 1. Feeling tired of learning. Hey Emily, you look a little tired today. What's wrong?
Yeah, Paul. I studied English with my students all week. I'm feeling a bit tired and unmotivated.
Oh, I know that feeling. Sometimes when I'm tired, I just want to give up too. But I remind myself, every little step counts.
That's true. When I remember why I started, I feel better. I started learning English because I love connecting with people from around the world.
Exactly. When you remember your goal, it gives you energy.
So viewers, here's a question for you. Why did you start learning English? Take a moment and think about your answer.
Yes, you can even write it in the comments below. That's a great way to practice writing English too.
Vocabulary and examples. Motivational phrases. Let's learn some useful words and phrases to talk about motivation and not giving up. 1. Don't give up. Meaning, keep trying. Don't stop even when it's difficult. Examples: don't give up. You're doing great. I know it's hard, but don't give up now. My teacher always tells me, don't give up. 2. Keep going. Meaning, continue doing something even when it's tough. Examples: keep going. You're almost there. I kept going and I finally passed my exam. If you keep going, you'll reach your goal. 3. You can do it. Meaning, a way to encourage someone to believe in themselves. Examples: don't be afraid, you can do it. I know you can do it if you try. She said, you can do it, before my test. 4. Stay positive. Meaning, keep a good attitude even in hard times. Examples: try to stay positive during your English learning journey. I stay positive by listening to music. Stay positive. Things will get better. 5. Step by step. Meaning, progress slowly, one small step at a time. Examples: you don't need to be perfect. Just go step by step. Learning a language happens step by step. I improved my English step by step. 6. Believe in yourself. Meaning, have confidence in your own abilities. Examples: believe in yourself. You are improving. My teacher told me to believe in myself. When you believe in yourself, you can achieve anything. 7. Practice makes perfect. Meaning, the more you practice, the better you get. Examples: keep practicing. Practice makes perfect. Don't worry about mistakes. Practice makes perfect. I say it all the time. Practice makes perfect. 8. Never stop learning. Meaning, continue learning new things all your life. Examples: I love English. I'll never stop learning. My mom says, never stop learning. It's important to never stop learning new skills. 9. Take a break. Meaning, rest for a short time, then continue. Examples: if you're tired, take a break. I take a break after studying for 1 hour. Sometimes taking a break helps you learn better. 10. Set a goal. Meaning, decide what you want to achieve. Examples: I set a goal to learn 5 new words every day. You should set a goal for your English study. Setting goals helps you stay focused. Mini role play 1: when you feel tired. Acting tired. Paul, I don't want to study English today. I feel so tired.
That's okay, Emily. Maybe take a short break, then come back. Remember, step by step.
You're right. I'll rest for 15 minutes, then I'll practice again.
Good idea. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep going. Mini role play 2. Talking about goals. Emily, what's your English goal for this month?
I want to speak more fluently, so I plan to practice English every day for 10 minutes.
That's great. My goal is to learn 20 new words this month.
Nice. Viewers, what's your goal? Think about it, and maybe write it in the comments. Mini story: The Learner Who Didn't Give Up. Let me tell you a short story. There was a student named Maria. She wanted to learn English but felt shy and scared. Every time she spoke, she made mistakes and felt embarrassed. But Maria didn't give up. Every morning, she practiced speaking to herself in the mirror. She listened to English podcasts, watched movies, and wrote short stories. After 6 months, her confidence grew. She could speak with her teacher easily, and she even helped other students.
Wow, that's a great example. See, if you keep going and believe in yourself, you can do amazing things. Extra practice. Repeat after us. Now it's your turn. Repeat after us.
Don't give up. Pause for 2 seconds.
Keep going. Pause.
You can do it. Pause.
Believe in yourself. Pause.
Practice makes perfect. Pause.
Never stop learning. Pause.
Stay positive. Pause.
Extra practice. Questions for viewers. Now, let's practice some questions. Try to answer in English. What do you do when you feel tired? How do you stay motivated to learn English? What is your English goal this month? Who inspires you to keep learning? What does "don't give up" mean to you?
You can say your answers out loud or write them in the comments below.
Let's review what we learned today.
We practiced talking about motivation, how to keep learning English when it feels difficult.
We learned useful phrases like "don't give up," "keep going," and believe in yourself.
We also learned how to set goals, take breaks, and stay positive.
And remember, learning English is a journey. You don't have to be perfect. You just need to keep trying.
Exactly. Every time you watch, listen, or speak English, you're improving.
Thanks for watching today's lesson. You did an amazing job.
Yes, keep practicing, keep smiling, and never give up.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
And tell us in the comments what helps you stay motivated when learning English.
See you next time, Mr. English Learners.
Bye-bye. And remember, you can do it.